Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Jabre, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this install. This is a V-part unit provided to me by Klaiyi hair, so thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. What details do I want to give? Oh, let me show you guys what they sent me in my package. This is the box that they sent the hair in. It's so cute and it's pink, and I love everything pink, so y'all already know. They sent me a scarf. I'm about to show y'all, but I used it to tie my hair down. They also sent a goodie bag with some clips in it, and they also sent some lashes, and they also sent I think this is an elastic band, I want to say. Yeah, this is an elastic band, and they also sent a wig cap and a scarf. Let me show y'all my scarf. Where did I put my scarf at? Okay, here's the scarf. It's a satin scarf, I want to say, or silk. I don't know the difference, y'all. I don't know. It's gonna be super helpful for when it's time to tie up my hair, but I love the way that this install came out, so I'm so excited to show you guys how I did it. Of course, all the links on this hair will be listed in my description box, as well as maybe a coupon code, so do not skip that D box. But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. But I'm done chatting. See y'all later. So this is how my hair looks after completely pressing out my leave out and pressing out this unit. And y'all can see, like, it looks super duper natural, but my natural hair is kind of like flying everywhere. So I'm about to just like perfect everything. I think I want to leave it straight just because I just want to leave it straight. I feel like that's just the vibe right now. And then I might lay my baby hairs and everything, but then after that, y'all, that's gonna be it. The texture of this unit is not silky, so it's, you know, it has like a little bit of texture to it, so when you're pressing it out, it's not too hard to blend it with your natural hair, especially if you have hair like mine, which is super curly. And even when you press it out, it still has like a little bit of texture to it. That's, you know, kind of the point of the hair still having some texture. But other than that, y'all, like, I love how this install came out. This hair is completely gorgeous. I have not had any issues out of it at all. I'm just ready to perfect it. Like, I'm about to really lay this bit, like lay it. And I got a side part. Yeah, I'm about to be feeling myself. I'm about to change it to something less bulky so I can like really lay the hair down my shoulders like I want to. And then I'll be right. So y'all, this is the finished result of my hair. I love the way that it came out. I think that it looks so freaking good and so natural, and it just blends with my hair so freaking well. Thank you so much, Klaiyi Hair, for sending me this unit, and thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please do not forget to thumbs it up, and also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my Catch Baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too, and that's on what? That's on period. But all the links on this hair will be listed in the description box, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!